Good morning, beautiful people. It's Ant Manton from Real Estate's Rapid Response Unit here. I'm at 46 Banyala Street in Rugby today with a 3-bedroom brick and tile beauty. If you're an investor or a first home buyer, come and have a look. You will not be disappointed. I've got my old mate Pablo doing a bit of tidying up. He's doing a cracking job. So while he's doing that, I'll take you through. Property just got serious.